Hi, this is Rob Bohannick, the principal of Holmes Junior High School in District 59, and we've been nominated for the ALS Bucket Challenge by Admiral Byrd Elementary in District 59. We accept that challenge, and we will nominate our cameo, District 59 cameo. You have been called out to take the challenge within 72 hours.
Hey Rob, I just went outside. Nobody showed. Looks like we broke the chain. It's over.
What? Over? Did you say over? Nothing is over until we decide it is.
Go!
District 59 cameo, you have 72 hours to answer the call. Cameo, it's on to you.